Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take your hairs and tie it nicely. Now start making the braids on both the sides. Now take the braids and pull it inside out on the opposite sides as it will look like this. Now take the hairs, tie it very nicely and then attach it with the help of a hair clip or the hairband and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the hairs and tie it with the help of a bun cloth. Now make it into a cute little bun by folding it and attach it properly and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the front section of your hair and divide into 3 parts. Now start braiding your hair very nicely and gently by taking the smaller sections of the remaining hairs. Repeat the whole process very nicely and gently till the bottom, and be sure to repeat each and every process in the video as it will start looking like this. Repeat the whole process and it will look like a fishtail. Roll it and then attach the rubber band to it and it's done. For the next one, take the front section of your hair and with the help of a braid maker, start making the braids out of it as shown in the video by taking the smaller sections of your whole hairs. Repeat the process till the end and then attach it very nicely with the help of a rubber band. It's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then make a 3 sections out of it. Repeat the whole process and attach it with the top of it with the help of a rubber band. Now take the remaining hairs, pull it inside out, make it into a cute little bun and it's almost done. Put the hair clip. For the next one in the video, make a ponytail and then make 2 sections out of it. Now start taking the smaller sections from each section and braid it very nicely and gently with the help of your hands. Do the process very nicely till the bottom as it will look like this and it's done. For the next one in the video, tie your hairs nicely and then divide into 2 sections. Pull it inside out and it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs, make a ponytail and then make a cute little bun out of it by attaching it on the top and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the ponytail and then make it into 2 sections, braid it nicely. Now do it as shown in the video, it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and start rolling it all together and it will look like this and it's done. Thanks for watching.